Chris Okaka. Now you see, we already know the story of the problems of Nigeria, but listen to my own analysis of the already known story. I titled this lecture The Rhetorical Nature of the Nigerian Society. What is the way forward? Now you see, no one responds to a rhetorical question because everyone obviously already knows the answer. Nigerian society is rhetorical. Too many powerful people. Everybody's an oga. So even when you talk or advise Nigerians, no one listens and changes from their bad attitude because almost everybody thinks they know it all. Do we have a problem in Nigeria? Yes. Nigeria is currently plagued with so many challenges like insecurity, banditry, fraud, looting, cultism, and so on. And many of us have contributed to putting Nigeria in this state of quagmire. Now, what have I observed? Those who should uphold the moral values of our society have performed below expectations. Many government officials and leaders in various sectors are greedy and corrupt. Many members of the traditional and religious council have become worldly and partisan. Many law enforcement agents and security officers are biased, they take bribes. Many parents, guardians, and teachers now consciously or unconsciously aid and abet. Many children and youths are going astray. They indulge in nefarious activities. They now want to get rich quick without legitimate hard work. Many friends and acquaintances we confide in are betrayers and evil-minded. Now, what are my findings? There are some common vices in our society today. Greed. Be contented. Stop stealing. Stop cheating people. Stop looking for power at all costs. Then we have tribalism. Stop favoring a person or family member over other people. Allow the best hands to do the job. And finally, we have pride. Drop your ego. Don't be arrogant. Stop thinking you are better than everyone else. Nemesis will catch up with you. Nigeria is afflicted with the evil of corruption because these vices were not caught. Now, here are my recommendations. Government officials and leaders at various levels, please fulfill your obligations to the people. Uphold the people's trust. The security and all law enforcement agencies should be reformed. Officers should be reorientated. Any erring officer should be dismissed at once. Parents and guardians, please set good examples. Never spare the rod. The children are watching. Teachers and counselors, please continue to instill core moral values and strict discipline. Children and youths, be teachable. Abide by rules. Please be obedient. You are the future leaders. Friends and acquaintances, please be genuine to each other. If you know anyone that is capable of betraying you, please avoid such company at once. Anyone erring should be rounded up. The labor of our heroes past must not be in vain. It is not about age, tribe, and religion. We must now put the right people in the right office for the right purpose. Now, what have I been saying? Nigeria is in hardship today due to bad leadership and the too many bad people in the society all sabotaging the system. The sabotage spirit is inspired by the vices of greed, tribalism, and pride. Every hand must now be on deck. Conclusively, an unseen enemy is more dangerous than the one seen alone. Corruption is an unseen enemy. Through a bad-oriented foundation, it discreetly enters our mind and uses us in wreaking havoc. Corruption is very difficult to prevent, and the problem it causes are very difficult to control or eradicate. Corruption is forever. It can only be avoided by staying positive in all aspects of our lives. In starting afresh, let us emulate only the few good people who have managed to keep their dignity of personality in such a corrupt society. Be patriotic. Be the change you want to see. Get your PVC and vote. Like come your way next time. Remember this.